Hi everyone. Good afternoon, good morning, good day, wherever you may be. And today, take a few minutes to clean out my dishwasher. You're saying dishwasher? Yeah, this is a small countertop dishwasher. And I said, I do not want a big, huge dishwasher anymore. The dishwasher I had 3 years ago now got eat up inside and out, with rats. It was under warranty, so they replaced it because most places wouldn't have replaced it because it wasn't the dishwasher fault. But we went to a place, my husband went to high school with the man, and so now, after they did it the second time, he said, I can't replace it. I said, okay. So I just washed dishes. That was about 4 months, 5 in between, each episode. So I just watched them for a long time. Didn't mind it, But now that it's just me, and I wanted to start doing more things on the YouTube and going more places and doing more things. I didn't want to have to spend all the time, loading, unloading dishes and whatever in my dishes. So I decided I'd get me this little dishwasher. It's not sponsored. It's a Dandy, D-A-N-D-Y. I believe that's what it says. Yeah, D-A-N-B-Y. Denby. D-A-N-B-Y. So, it came from, you can get them at Lowe's and Home Depot. Mine came from Home Depot, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it came from Home Depot. I ordered it offline, and then it was shipped to my house. So, they may have them in the stores. I'm not exactly sure if they do or they don't. But it does what I need it to do. I do have one problem with it. And the settings, I'll show you the settings. The settings on this, that turns it on. That button right there turns it on. And this P button right here, when you turn it on, you hit it. Oh, it ain't going to do it because it's open. Well, there it goes. See, I turned it on. Then I have to close it. And then it goes around. I was using it on this. I was using it on this cycle here. But it don't work on that cycle. It don't clean my dishes. So I turn it on the next cycle. And I don't set it for 2, 4, 6 hours or 8 hours. Because that means your water that you hook it up to would have to be on for that long. I hope y'all can see this. My hose is down here in my dirty dishes. It just clamps onto, you have to get this off. You have to get your regular faucet off and put a little thing on there. I love it. I love it. So, we'll see y'all after the dishes are unloaded. Bye. Everyone, one of the things I watch during the day is a YouTube channel called Plush Time Wins. And they're in Japan, and they're playing a pusher machine. A gym machine. They pick it up, and hopefully the stuff will fall down. Another person I watch is Keeping Up with the Joneses. This is Bishop and his wife, Shannon. And they're out of Arizona. They're a wonderful couple to watch. I thought I'd show y'all my vision board that I made. I don't know if anyone has seen it. I did it in a previous video back a couple of months ago. But my vision board is coming together. Some of the stuff has come true already. I've started getting more followers. I've been having a fun time. And my house is finally getting remodeled, slowly but getting done. All the things are getting fixed. I've won some prizes on my contest that I've done. And I'm starting to create content that is engaging. I am manifesting my dream into a reality. And I want to go to Paris. I want to go to Disney. And that may come true. May not be till next year. But there is a YouTuber named Park Pass who is going to put together a Paris trip. And as soon as he does, I'm in on it. So this is what I've been doing. You know. And all that money right there, that's foreign money. That means travel. Foreign travel. Anywhere travel. And that right there, it means more swimming this summer. More vacation somewhere. Create the life of your dreams. This is my new pocketbook. I did not get this one at Aldi's. I got this one offline. I think it came from actually Disney.com. It was on a sale. If not, it came from Temu. What are you having for dinner? I'm having a baked pork chop barbecue. Actually, I love my little air fryer. I'm not promoting, but if Paula Deen wants to sponsor me, here I am. It's a Paula Deen air fryer. Got it on sale about 1.5 years ago, and I wouldn't turn back. I don't use my big stove for one person anymore. So this is what I like. It's my Paula Deen air fryer. And here is my dinner tonight. 2 barbecue pork chops, a little bit of avocado with mayonnaise, salt, and pepper, and a baked potato. Not just any baked potato, a sweet potato baked potato. So, what are y'all having for dinner? I'm having a yummy dinner. Talk to y'all another one. Hey everyone, it's me, Candy. And tonight I'm just laying here being chilled on my blanket. I hope everyone had a blessed day, and please everyone like and subscribe to Mommy. You know, she only does this for fun, but she would like for you to like and subscribe. So, you'll get to see more of me. So, I love everybody. Bye. Yep. Everyone, please like and subscribe to my channel. I think you would enjoy it. I see a lot of people coming, but they are not subscribed. So hit that thumbs up button. Hit that bell. Hit the subscribe button. Alright? So, y'all come back, you hear? We'll see y'all on the next one. Y'all have a blessed night or day wherever you may be. Bye, everybody.